Hi boys and girls, and happy Friday. Welcome back. We're going to be continuing working with math. You're going to be in lesson 1.8, please. And if you look down on your paper, that'll be page 41. That is 4 tens and 1 1. All right, boys and girls, we are going to be transferring the way that we write our equations. So instead of writing them sideways, we're going to be up and down. And now Miss Heinley has taught me a fantastic song for this. She said, when your numbers go across, your answer goes across. When your numbers go down, your answer goes down. Now, super cute, right? We'll have to thank Miss Heinley when we see her. I want to also point out one other thing. This line right here is my equal sign. So these two mean the same thing. It's just written differently when we write our equation in a different order. So it's really important that our answer is going to go underneath the line because that really means equals, just like when we write it sideways and this means equals, okay? So let's start with a number. Let's say that there are 4 kids in my classroom and 2 kids on my Zoom. All right, so draw me your model. So I should see 4 dots and I should see 2 dots. So you've showed me your model and we're going to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you would have a total of 6 kids in the classroom. 4 in class, 2 on Zoom. I have a total of 6 kids. Now, when I write this up and down, I'm going to really write it in the same exact order. So my first number is going to match. 4 plus sign is in the same. 2 equals 6. You guys want to try another one? All right, let's come down to the next one. Let's say there are 8 teachers at school and 3 teachers at home. Ooh, that one might be a little hard, but we're gonna be okay because we're gonna draw our model. So looking at your 8, right underneath it, I should see 8 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Super quick. And then underneath my 3, I should see 3 more dots. So let's count it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Wow, that's a huge number. 11. Okay, now we're going to come over here and we're going to transfer it just like we did up here. So looking at my first number, 8 goes on top. My plus is the same. My second number goes in the middle, so that will be a 3. And equals, the 2 different ways to write the equals, my total is 11. So I'm gonna rip and you flip, and I'm gonna sing one more time for you Miss Heinley's favorite song. When your numbers go across, your answer goes across. When your numbers go down, your answer goes down. All righty, did you flip? Okay, now they're giving us pictures. So we're gonna do the same thing using our model that they already gave us. So I'm not gonna have to draw any, but we're gonna decide where these numbers go. So I have 2 different things here. I have my butterfly sitting on a branch, and I have butterflies in the air. So they're 2 different butterflies. So let's start with my butterfly sitting on the branch. I have 1, 2. So I'm gonna write that in my top box because that's the first group I counted. Then in my second box, I'm gonna count my flying butterflies. Ready? 1, 2. And it goes in the middle because that's my equation. Remember, this line means equals. So now let's count how many butterflies do we have in all. 1, 2, 3, 4. And so if my numbers are going down, my answer goes down. Very good. Okay, let's come over here. Let's do this one. I'm going to count these purple boxes and put them on top because they're purple and they're on top. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job. Now I'm going to count my blue, and that's going to go on my second line because they're down. It makes it easy, right? 1, 2, 3. Okay, they're going to equal, remember my line, so let's count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You guessed it, 7. Nice job. All right, coming down here, we're going to count our pink and we're going to put them in the top. And we're going to count our white and we're going to put them in the middle. And then we will put the total at the bottom. Are you ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many whites? Count them up. 1, 2, 3. Good job. So 5 plus 3 more equals, count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice job. Alrighty, number 2. I'm going to split my 2 groups again so I don't get confused. I have my bees flying in the air and my bees sitting on the ground. I'm going to put my bees flying in the air up in the air this time. And my bees that are sitting on the ground can sit on the line. Ready? 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. How many do you have all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job, my friends. Great job, my friends. I want you to try those 2 on your own. I'm going to give you about 30 seconds and then I'm going to show you the answers. Don't forget to push pause so that you can do your 2 equations. All right, splitting these ones up. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on top. And I have 1 on the bottom. And 5 plus 1 is the same as 6. If yours matches mine, great job. One more together. I'm going to put, of course, my greens on top and my yellows on the bottom. Make sure you press pause and try this on your own. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. And I know that 8 plus 2 is the same as 10. All right, boys and girls. You're going to get out your homework book. You're going to come to page 17, lesson 1.8. You're going to do these problems. If you need to draw your pictures, you have room right here on the side. And then you're going to color these flowers. Make sure you get them in the right equation so that you have the right answers. Remember, if the number goes down, the answer goes down. If the number goes across, the answer goes across. Good luck and happy weekend.